feeding my chickens from the balcony. They ate a little bit already. And they love to fight. The little ones over there, so they can reach them. A little bit. A little bit. Chickens love to fight. We have the little one inside there. You can barely see him. He's like right there by the door. I had to put that thing there because he'll escape. Yeah. Look at my avocado tree. It's so full of avocado that it's weighing the branch down. You can't see the avocados right now because they're like inside. There's one there. Yeah, this year gave me a lot more. Last year I only had like 7 or 8. But this year has a whole bunch. These chickens are still fighting. This is what I deal with every day. They love to fight. That's Coco. That's Mr. Coco. And that's Gordo. There's Flaco. There's Big Daddy. That's Big Daddy. And all the babies. That's for all today. Have a great day and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you.